Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Notion databases to power a customer support app, beginner guide step by step clearly. First, log into your Notion account or create a new one if you haven't yet. Once logged in, create a new page by clicking on the plus button in the sidebar. Name this page Customer Support Database. Now, designate the page as a database by selecting the table option. You will see a blank table appear on your screen. Begin by adding appropriate columns to your table. The first column will be for Ticket ID. This should be a text type column to uniquely identify each support request. Next, create a column titled Customer Name. Make this a text type column as well. Now, add another column named Issue. This should also be a text type column to describe the customer's problem. Create a column named Status to track the ticket's progress. Set this column to a select type for options like Open, In Progress, or Resolved. Next, add a column called Assigned To. Now, include a Notes column for additional comments or follow-up information. This can be a text type as well. Consider adding a Date-Created column to track when tickets are opened. Set this column to a date type to record timestamps. Once your columns are set up, start populating your database with sample entries. Click on the empty rows to fill in data for ticket ID, customer names, issues, and assigned agents. To enhance your database, use filters to view only open tickets. Click on the filter button above the table. Select the status column, then choose the criteria for displaying only the open tickets. You can also sort the tickets based on the date created column. This will help prioritize older tickets. Next, customize your view to enhance usability. Use the view options in the top left corner to create different views. One view can focus on tickets assigned to specific agents. Another view can display issues categorized by status. If you plan to incorporate comments, create a subdatabase for notes linked to each ticket. This will allow support agents to add detailed follow-ups directly within a ticket. Now, your Notion database is ready as the foundation of your customer support app. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.